This is the Friday afternoon Qso-Vlog network. And now, let's check in and see if CHARLEY-K1GZL is on frequency to bring us up to date on the latest 40-meter band propagation. Charlie's QTH is up in northern New Hampshire, near the Canadian border. Charlie, got a copy?
Yes, Jim, I do. We have a lot of static today, and it's just starting to rain, at about 56 degrees. Hope you copy, K1GZL.
Roger, Charlie, have an excellent copy on you, sir, at Milford, PA. Looks to be about 15 over, Roger. 15
over, Roger.
Okay, right, you're about 10 over direct, 10 dB over direct, and very, very fine. And we are going into a rainy period. We've had an awful lot of wind up here over the last few days. Day before yesterday, you couldn't even stand up outside hardly. Terrific wind. In fact, it was something else. This morning, 40 meters was good, but the static level was horrible. But I have a little bit of VK2SR near the capital of Australia at Canberra, and here he is, I think.
We're just about to go and do something else. I heard you there, and thought I'd say a quick hello. He did say last night that he wouldn't be up tonight there, so and happy that you'll be there in 48 hours, buddy. So all good. I won't hold you up, but absolutely smashing the doors down here. K1GZL, VK2, Sugar Radio.
Okay, I know there was a lot of static, but that was down near the capital of Australia, Jim. Go ahead.
Roger. Well, fine contact as always, Charlie. I think you have the path to Australia nailed pretty well. Open, Roger.
Open, Roger.
Yeah, right. And I also talked to Mike, KX4WC Aeronautical Mobile, and I have a little bit of him as he passed near Des Moines in central Iowa, and that was yesterday heading east toward Philadelphia from Sacramento, and here he is, I hope.
So, yeah, because we're not up on that weather yet, but right now, let's say forward, Charlie.
Wait a minute.
Forward, Charlie. Yeah, Charlie, we're at 37 right now with 510 knots right over north of Des Moines. And we are, again, 370.
Okay, I know there was a lot of static on there. He was at 37,000 feet. The temperature outside was minus 60 Celsius, or 80 degrees or 85 degrees below 0 Fahrenheit. Go ahead.
Well, I don't see how anything can work at minus 85 degrees. I'd have to, I don't know. I don't know if I would trust equipment to operate at minus 85 degrees, Roger.
85 degrees, Roger.
Yeah, that, well, it's a drop in the bucket compared to how fast the radio wave can go around the Earth in an eighth of a second. I won't be able to stay long on this one. I do have company here, so I'll sign with you, and I'll catch you hopefully next week. Catch you next week there, Jim. Mike. Yeah. Mike, good heavens, no, I'm getting all mixed up on my my names here. Yeah, KC9VKV. Yeah, Jim, yeah, what's the matter with me? Boy, my brain is out in the yard. K1GZL, always a pleasure.
Roger, Charlie. Well, it's that cold weather, you know. You got to get some temperature going in there in the shack and get that brain unfrozen. I forget how much you said the snow inches were, but something. How much in excess of 200 inches?
In excess of 200 inches?
No, yeah. Our total for the whole winter is 238. 238 inches. 238 inches for this season. Last year was the maximum, 272, but the average for a 22-year period, is now 196 inches a year. 196, Jim.
Oh, roger that. Boy, that's a bunch of snow for sure. Well, Charlie, let me say threes to you, sir. Thanks for dropping by. And as always, on our Friday afternoon Qso-Vlog network, we depend on you to keep us updated on what 40 meters is doing and the capabilities. Australia is a prime jump there, and that aeronautical mobile is a feather in the cap too. So we appreciate so much you sharing those activities with us. You have a great afternoon and a beautiful weekend, Charlie. Threes to you, and we'll see you next Friday, if at all possible. This is KC9VKV, and my name is Jim. I'm better known in some circles as Dr. VKV, and we are recording now live till 5, so if you have a radio you want to check out, give us a shout. We'll post this recording up on YouTube in the next couple of days, so when you go to YouTube, just do a call letter search for KC9VKV. That's Kilo Charlie 9, Victor Kilo Victor, and that will take you to our Qso-Vlog page, and on that page you'll be looking for one Qso-Vlog entitled My Group Air Check 5-15-20. My Group Air Check 5-15-20. This is a KC9VKV listening.